Hello, everyone, and this is Mr. Hatem speaking to you. As you know, I'm a biology teacher, and I've studied biology at college, and I've been teaching biology for 11 years. In these 11 years, I have learned much more than what I have learned during the college, especially with the experience I had with the students, doing projects, discussions, debates, and always the science is improving and the new advances are emerging. So the topic I'm going to discuss today, which is very important for students, is the importance of sleeping and how much it can impact your life and your nervous system. Now, I'm not going to make it a very long lecture. I will just give you an idea so that you can know how sleeping can help you and how much sleeping is important for you. Let me share my screen, and this screen now represents your day, your tasks that you do. So you have a lot of things, lot of tasks, everything is messed up. You are thinking about what you want to eat, you are thinking about your assignments, you are thinking about everything else. So this is your day actually, and look how messy your day can become when you are overloaded with information, with assignments, with people you see, with your thoughts, your ideas. All of this will exhaust your nervous system. And your nervous system is actually the system that controls all your body. If this system is tired, it means you will be tired. All the other 10 organ systems in your body will be very tired. I'm speaking about your muscular system, speaking about your immune system will drop down and you will have higher chance of getting diseases. Your skeletal system, your digestive system, you have problems in digesting food and getting energy. Everything else will be affected. So this is not a joke. It's very important for you as educated people to know the importance of sleeping. So what happens when you sleep? I will make it very brief now, and later on I'll give you more detailed scientific explanation about what exactly happens in your neurons, in your brain cells. But simply, when you sleep, look what happens. When you sleep, your brain will start cleaning everything you have done during the day. Will start cleaning your thoughts, your worries. Maybe you had a very difficult math problem and it took you 3-4 hours to solve it. This will cause your brain to be exhausted. When you sleep well, your brain will clean itself from all these complex connections that are causing you headache, that are causing you to lose focus, that are causing you to be stressed. When you sleep, your nervous system will focus only on the heart and the respiratory system. It will focus on how to regenerate dead cells, how to repair damaged cells. So this is the function of your nervous system, and it cannot do this if it has a lot of mess happening. So sleeping at least 6 hours, up to 8 hours every day will help rebooting your body systems the other day, and hence cleaning your body from anything that caused distraction in the other day. I will just show you how I cleaned up my desktop. And if you keep opening programs and files in your laptop, even if it has excellent processor, at some point it will stop functioning or it will be slow. That's why you have to restart it. You have to shut down the programs. This is the same exactly thing that is happening in your brain, guys. So when you don't get enough sleep, 3-4 hours are not enough at all, especially for teenagers. You need at least 7 hours. You are coming to school, facing people, talking to them, communicating with them, maybe thinking, even if you are not very active in your day, but your brain is receiving a lot of stimuli, a lot of signals. You are hearing, you are looking at colors. All of this is converted into network of signals and communication network in your brain. So your brain needs time until it resets, and you wake up the other day, you feel relaxed, you are ready to start. But if you don't get enough sleep at this level, you are going to have fatigue, brain fatigue. You will go to school 3-4 hours, you feel tired, you feel exhausted, and you feel that you cannot tolerate more people speaking to you. And what is more important, you will lose focus. So this will affect your cognitive part, the part responsible for analysis and problem solving. If you have a quiz the other day, the wrong choice is to keep awake studying. I have tried this when I was at college. I used to study biology, and it requires a lot of studying and memorizing. I remember, and every time it happened, when I stay awake the whole night studying for a quiz, I fail, or I don't get good mark. What happens, I go there, I feel tired, then where are the ideas? I don't remember, I'm confused. Your brain needs rest. If you have a quiz, you have to stop studying at least 12 hours before the exam. You don't have to eat a heavy dinner. Very light meal, a light snack, and you sleep well. Wake up. You have to trust your brain, guys. You have to trust that the information that you have put before are there, but your brain cannot reach them unless if it is relaxed. So when you sleep at a biological level, your brain will increase the synapses, will increase the connections, the dendrites, those connections between the neurons that allow you to reach the information faster. You know that your brain cells don't divide. So if you study more, if you learn more, you have rest more, you won't have more cells in your brain. But what you have, on the other hand, you'll be having more connections. These connections are built during rapid eye movement, REM. Rapid eye movement must happen 3 to 4 times when you sleep. And if I say 3 to 4 times, it means you have to sleep at least 8 hours. And rapid eye movement happens. I don't want to go deep into levels of sleeping. If you can search about it. It will happen while you are in the deep sleep. So when you are having a deep sleep, you are at the rapid eye movement level, here where you start dreaming. If you sleep 3-4 hours, you might not have this at all, or you will have it only for one time. This is not enough for your brain cells to reconnect. Now, what will happen? This is the most threatening part on your health. There are studies that show not sleeping well for a long period of time, I mean for years, might lead to problems in the brain, including damage, including Parkinson's disease, including Alzheimer's disease. None of you would like to experience this, none of you. So it's not a matter of if I don't sleep, I will gain time. No, if you don't sleep well, you are losing time from your life, not gaining time. And I will give you one last example. Your heart beats. You think that your heart is the most active muscle in your body. Actually, it is not. Your heart is not the most active muscle. Your heart, yeah, it pumps all the time, but for every beat, it relaxes. For every beat, it rests. For every beat, it rests. And let me share with you this story. I have met a wise man like 4 years ago. And just let me share this with you. So he asked me a question. What is the most active muscle in your body? I said, definitely, it's the heart. It's the most active one. It works all the time. Then he laughed. And he said, actually, your heart is the most lazy muscle. I said, how come? It's pumping all the time. Then he said after that, yes, it is pumping all the time. But every time it pumps, it rests. Every time it pumps, it rests. So it is the most muscle that rests in your body. So I thought about it. Yes, I'm a biology teacher, and I know this is very true. Just I'm trying to share with you the post because I posted about it. So every time your heart beats, it relaxes after that. If it doesn't relax, if it doesn't move into a resting stage, it cannot pump back. 1 minute, let me check it here. That's it, okay. So So that man, he told me, if you look at one heartbeat and analyze it, it is resting, contracting, resting. So there is rest and rest between the contraction phase. And the duration of the resting phase is longer. So the only reason your heart pumps your entire life is that it rests before and after every single pump. So guys, this is how God created our body. Your heart cannot be active all the time unless it rests before and after the task, the only task that it does. So what about you? You are doing multitasks, hundreds of tasks during one day. Resting must be every day. You must not skip any day. You must not, if you one day you stay awake, you'll be exhausted for 10 days more. Your body cannot recover. And believe me, this is science, this is biology, this is your life. Everyone cares about his or her own life and health. And you have to start thinking about getting enough sleep. I'm speaking about 6 minimum up to 8 hours every day. No matter what you have, nothing is more priority than your health. Thank you so much. And if you have any question, you can reach me. You can ask about me. You can drop me an email. And I hope that this will change your mindset about getting enough sleep and about what you put as a priority, your tasks, your assignments, or your health. Have a good day.